Most Americans believe you need an insane amount of money for a down payment. But what if I told you there's a way to buy a house with no money down? Sounds impossible? Let's discuss your options. And stay tuned because I'll be revealing a little known secret program that's going to help you buy a home with $0 down. There are government programs and creative financing methods that allow first-time buyers to get into their dream home without breaking the bank. Now, by the end of this video, you'll know the programs and options available to buy a home with little or even no down payment, and if one of these could be the perfect solution for you. First up, if you're a veteran or active duty service member, there are options out there where you can purchase a home for $0 down. Yes, you heard that right. $0 down. VA loans are backed by the government, which means they're designed to help you purchase a home without that insane upfront money. And if you don't think you qualify for a VA loan, don't worry, we have other options coming right up for you. Next, we have the USDA loan. And now I love a USDA loan because if you're buying in a rural or suburban area, this loan is perfect for you. It's another one of our $0 down payment options. And you'd be surprised at how many areas can actually qualify for the USDA loan. So don't count yourself out just yet. Now, if you're curious whether or not you qualify, you can just go to USDA.gov, search here for the property eligibility, income eligibility, as well as previous eligibility areas. So if you click on previous eligibility areas, you can just type in a city and it will let you know whether or not this is a qualified area. So you can see here, I put in McDonough, Georgia. It does not qualify. But let's type in Senoia, Georgia. If you type in Senoia, Georgia, you'll see that this address is eligible. Normally it'll pop up green, but I don't know why it's not doing it now. But as you can see here, it is an eligible area. Now, if $0 down payment options don't work for you, no worries. We still have other options. So you have the FHA loan, which typically you'll pay around 3 to 3.5% down payment. FHA loans are very popular for the first-time home buyers and people with credit issues because typically you can get qualified for an FHA loan with as little as a 580 credit score. For example, the average cost of a home in the metro Atlanta area is around $400,000. If you do the math on a $400,000 home, 3.5% down payment would be right around $14,000. Not bad at all for a brand new $400,000 home, right? Now, another great option is the conventional 97 loan. This allows you to put 3% down payment on your home. It's another great option for the first-time home buyers. Now, some people like to ask, so what's the difference between the conventional 97 and the FHA loan? While the FHA loan requires a 3.5% down payment, the conventional 97 loan requires a 3% down payment. However, with the conventional 97 loan, you would need a little bit of a higher credit score. However, you get a more favorable mortgage rate. So the higher your credit score is, the better your mortgage rate would be. Now let's talk about down payment assistance programs. These can come in the form of grants, loans, or even forgivable loans that help cover your down payment costs. These are available through your state or local government and some nonprofit organizations. Now, I do know someone who went through one of the down payment assistance programs and she ended up staying in her home. She had to stay in her home for at least a certain amount of years. And then after that, she wouldn't owe anything. So they do have different stipulations on the down payment assistance programs. Just make sure that whichever one you get involved in, that you read it thoroughly and that you understand it and that you agree to it. And here's a little known secret. Some employers offer down payment assistance as part of their benefits package. Check with your HR department or employee assistance programs to see if they have any options like this for you. So listen, whether you're eligible for a VA loan, buying in a USDA area, or just looking at creative options like seller financing, the dream of home ownership is within reach. Even if you don't have a huge down payment, there's options for everyone, regardless of your financial situation.